How's it going, y'all? TK's here, and we're gonna do an unboxing today of one of the Formula One cars I picked up while I was in Dallas for work. Whenever I'm somewhere that has an actual brick and mortar store that I can go buy slot cars at, I try to go buy one. And while I was there, I picked up this Scalextric Williams FW11. It's Nigel Mansell's car. This was from the mid 80s in Formula One. And hopefully it performs much like my other F1 cars, which is very good. The tires look nice, so let's pop this box open and have a look-see. Ooh, I love the detail on this. You can see got all the good sponsors. It is very nice. I'm excited to get this one on the track and see how it does. All right, a 4.52, by far the fastest car around my track, and it drove like the other F1 cars did, very planted, a lot of grip. These rear tires, I mean, they were great from the get-go. It took me a while to spin it out, actually. I kept pushing it, and it kept going. Very planted, very quick, very smooth. I'm really surprised. I thought the Camel NSR that I have would have been a lot faster, and maybe I wasn't pushing it quite as hard as I pushed this one. But man, this is the best one I've driven of all my cars, hands down, the best one. It was just fantastic. I loved it. It definitely had plenty of grease in there. I don't know if you can see the sheen, but it was lubed up, ready to go. I liked how this one came apart compared to like the Elf one that I have. The front wheels are part of the body, and then it's just the guide back is the chassis. You're able to get some good float in there. I struggled to get these screws back in because this magnet is so hard, strong. And maybe that's why it was so planted, is this magnet is very strong. Every time I put the screw in, it would pop out. And so I had to like guide it in with the screwdriver and try not to let it pop out. But this is great. I am super happy with this. I think down the road, I'd like to do kind of an F1 shootout, compare all my F1 cars, see how they do. Let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. Are you interested in F1 at all? The season's here. It's finally here. These classic F1 cars are fantastic. Great. I don't think I can say anything more about it other than great. Well, that's it for this one. Have some more in store for y'all, so stick around. Like, subscribe, do all those fun things. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.